Now here is an activity, children, peer pressure test. This is a personal exercise. Take only one answer for each. Take a pencil in your hand and there are three options: maybe, disagree, means you don't go with that, and agree, yes, you go with that answer. So take a pencil in your hand and start doing it. I will also help you. I think it is important to be a part of group. Do you think, children, that we should be a part of a group? Think, children. I to disagree. I don't think that it is important to be a part of a group. I feel like I can do my best only when I am part of a group rather than when I am alone. Do you feel, children, that you can do your best only when you are a part of a group? You cannot do your best when you are alone? Again, I will disagree. I can do best in both the cases and not just when I am a part of a group. It is all right to do something slightly wrong with my friends as long as we are not hurting anyone. No, children, we shouldn't do anything wrong with anyone, not even the slightest. So again, I will disagree. Now it's up to you what you choose. And like this, you can fill this chart with a pencil. Now, children, there are many methods by which you are pressurized by your friends. They encourage you vocally by speaking, and sometimes they encourage you by not talking to you. They ignore you, they stop talking to you, and when you see this thing, you think that you should listen to them, you should obey to them, and then you do all those things which you yourself don't like, but you just do to make them happy. Now again, one more activity is there. Some situations are given to you. Okay, if like this is happening, what are you going to do? Like here in this question, they are telling you that your friends have dared you to write a mean comment about a teacher on the board, and you do not want to do it, but you know your friends will make fun of you if you'll not do it. Moreover, you really admire the teacher. What will you do? You know that it is wrong to write anything wrong about your teachers on the board, but your friends want you to do it. And you also like the teacher, but what are you going to do? You will make your friends happy, or you are going to follow your mind, your decision? What will be your decision, children? I will never write anything wrong about my teachers. It is wrong. We should respect our teachers. We shouldn't do like this, beta. So you are going to follow your friends, or you have got power, you have got strength to follow your own decision that I am not going to write anything wrong about my teacher. I am not going to listen to you, whether you be friends of mine or you leave me alone. Like this, other situations are given, children. You have to think of your own answers. I have given the answers to you in the PDF, but first of all, I want all of you to think that what will be your answer towards these situations if you face them in your life. Okay, but what will I suggest, children, to you is that never ever follow anyone. Be a leader. And secondly, take your decision. Don't just be a follower that all are walking like this, all are doing the same thing, I will also follow them, otherwise I'll be the alone. No, be alone, but be right. Okay, guys, are you listening, children? Now here we finishes our chapter number 5, and then we'll start our chapter number 6. Have a good day.